Hello and welcome to Sylvan Mist Designs. I'm going to be continuing with getting some of these beads painted that I'm going to be using for beaded keychains. Now, this is actually going to be my third video on this particular project. And if you would like to see a little bit more about how I started these and the other ones that I've already made and kind of the process and tool sizing and different things like that, I'm actually going to link the first live video that I did on these below, as well as I'll go ahead and put those at the end of the video in case you want to go back and check those out at a later time. So for this one, I am actually going to go back to kind of a little bit of a flower pattern that I used on the very first ones, but I do want to mix it up just a little bit. And so I've got a lot of colors here with me today. I actually meant to put all of them in here and then white in here, but somehow my paint got mixed up. As you can tell, I'm trying to do a little bit of a rainbow. What I've actually done here, so I've got cherry red, I'm using burnt orange, I'm gonna go with the saffron yellow, we're gonna do the new leaf green. For the blue, I'm gonna go turquoise, and then for the purple, we're gonna do a magenta. I thought these were very bright colors that all looked very nice together, and so here we go. What I'm gonna start with though is the base, the white of these. So that's all that's gonna happen to begin with, and I've got another set of 4 beads here just off camera that I'm going to be doing once these are completed. But again, I'm going to be doing these in sets of 4. Right, now the process of putting all of the colors in. Now this is going to be a little bit long and tedious. This is one of the reasons I did actually want to record this particular set of beads versus going live with them, because I'm going to have to put 1 dot of color on each side and then go through the next color and then let them dry before tipping them over. So it'll be a tiny bit more laborious than doing them all in one color or one type. So again, just sit back, relax, we'll get through it. Now that all of these are done, I'm adding in some white pearl to my palette, And I'm going to be touching up the center of these as well as adding in a dot on top, a very, very small one of each of the petals, just to kind of bring this together. One last small touch to make to these, and that is in between each of these flowers I have this little space, so I'm gonna go ahead and take and put just one dot in between. Alright, so there we have it. Now I have 2 full sets of these beautiful rainbow flower beads. These are not finished. I still do need to go ahead and get varnish on these. And then I'm gonna get some spacers and get them on the keychains, and then we'll be done. Again, thank you so much for watching. I certainly do appreciate it. And if you've made it this far, make sure that you are subscribed so that you can catch the next episode of this one or some other cool projects that I've got coming up. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.